Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we're here at Black Orchard. It's kind of daylight, starting to get a little bit dark. That's because we showed up a little bit early. We're here for a behind-the-scenes tour. We've got the new owner, Chris Hatler. He's going to walk us through it and show us what it takes to put on this show every night. So without further ado, let's go look at some scary stuff.
Hey, I'm Chris Hatler, and I'm one of the new owners over at Black Orchard, and we just took over this year, and I'm going to show you around and show you what we've been up to. Barn's maybe 4,000 to 5,000 square feet, but we've actually doubled, maybe tripled our size outside. You'll see the changes in the landscape and all that. So this is our opening scene here of the barn. So after you've met the family outside, they kind of make you feel invited but uninvited at the same time outside. So the allegations against the family is kidnapping and cannibalism and using people for the meat.
So it's the Black family, and then they get their meat from the people that come through, is that right?
Yes, that's the rumor, but don't know if it's true. This is actually our opening scene to where you meet one of the family members, and they're trying to kind of rekindle the family business after Atticus got locked up.
I'm looking at this stuff, and it doesn't look like human parts, right?
No, I don't think so. Okay, so after the meat market here, you come in, this is where they start preparing the meat, and they package the meat to go there. So you get that immersion that, okay, I'm in a butcher shop. We got animals, no humans yet. So this is kind of the more mellow scene talking. We got some tricks in here. I'm sure Tyler and Nora have seen them. I'm not gonna show you guys because I want you to come visit. I don't want to give you all of it. But we kind of left this original because we kind of pay homage to original owners because I like the original owners. Their story was good, and now we're trying to kind of go back. So it's kind of been passed down from a couple people. So we're trying to go all the way back to the original story, but kind of revamp it, make it a remake, not a bad remake, good remake.
A good remake.
Now after that, the music starts ramping up in here, the intensity level starts going. You start going downhill, you start really feeling that eerie, okay, I don't want to be here anymore. They made you feel invited a little bit, and now you're like, no, I don't want to be here no more.
This is no ordinary barn.
No.
So we have a big friend down here.
Yes, this is Billy. Billy is your first interaction. He's a good old Gore Galore puppet. Shout out to Kevin Albee. He's the man when it comes to these things. But everyone likes Billy.
He bites.
He does bite. He's a biter. This is when it's like, okay, let's get the hell out of here. So this is a father-son duo. We're so thankful to have the Rambos. They're amazing. They got y'all good on summer. Yeah,
I didn't want to go through here. I was like wanting to go that way, and it's just freaking awesome.
Like, I typically don't ever get butterflies, but knowing that y'all haven't seen this show yet, like, my stomach is just in knots. Like, I just cannot wait to see y'all's reaction.
We're excited.
Hopefully, y'all are gonna have to call and tell me because I'll be able to get in character tonight.
Oh, which character do you play?
I play Possum.
Oh,
Possum?
Okay.
I play Possum.
He might be Possum later.
But I don't roll over.
You don't roll over.
Okay.
No, I attack.
Okay. He attacks.
So in this section, this is another one of those. This is the Rambos, their father-son duo. If you're strobe sensitive, this room's not for you. This one really gets your equilibrium, and it makes you, the unevenness of the barn just makes you fall.
Ooh, yeah.
And how I've been telling y'all that their father-son duo is the room we was just in.
Yeah.
There you go. They hit you there, and then they come back. I like to consider myself an ADHD haunter. Typically, all of us work 40 hours, and then we'll come put 60 in here.
Yep, we're the same way with this.
Yeah, we just touch everything all the time. I can promise you, if you came Friday, then by the next Friday, something's gonna be different. You're gonna bring your friend and be like, that wasn't here. This scene here is our chicken coop.
With not any live chickens, because
I can't take credit for this one. This is Kristen Hauser. I mean, it's beautiful, and I'm not changing it.
I remember seeing her act in here before.
I do. Yes.
So this is kind of like, it used to be where they did the worshiping for the cult, but we kind of got away from the cult. So this now is kind of Atticus's got locked up. Pork Chop's not taking it too well. So this is kind of Pork Chop's little safe space. So we got the projector going. It's showing back when the town loved the blacks. You know, this is, and he's kind of reminiscing on that. And then when he goes out to the outside world and he's just like, they hate us now. And this is when he's tame. When he's out there, he don't like no one. So we're still trying to find that happy medium on the aggression level. We was at hotel and then we moved out. We went to Irvington. Now we're here and it's like, okay, they were already a touch on. So now let's push the limits. Let's see what we can do, what we can't do. Our last review was just a little under the intensity level.
Okay. I was gonna say you could let us choose too by doing the necklaces if you want to go that route.
Yep, that's the fresh meat tour next year.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna add the fresh meat tour and you're gonna get a tag. Once you get your tag, kind of know, okay, we can be a little more, it's gonna be more than what your normal show would be. So we're actually gonna do the fresh meat tour as a separate event.
Okay.
So like if you come for the fresh meat tour, you know, okay, I'm coming for this. If y'all remember in like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movies, they had like the junkyard scenes and they had that little kid who's running around and he kind of went into this little back room and it was like stuff like
all
this.
All the belongings.
All the stuff that he was collecting. That's what we're going for. We love it. We actually have plans to expand the room. Shindigs.
Like somebody that's clearly on their way home from traveling and the airline tag is still on there, but they never made it.
No, yeah, they made it home. Their luggage didn't. We just
This was definitely one of my favorite rooms last time we were here.
Was it?
Yes.
I don't know, but I think someone might need a bath. Cause that's
gonna be Tammy. Tammy needs a bath.
we clean the meat in this room. This is where we clean the meat.
That's why there's shackles on the wall.
This is where we clean the meat. See where they produce the meat. Now come with me. So this is where we store the meat.
Oh, we store the meat.
Okay.
In there.
Yeah, it's livestock.
Yeah.
That's normal.
Yeah, livestock, you know, pigs and cows and
what cow fits in that?
mini cow.
Definitely not people.
No.
Not people.
No, that she's sleeping, same nap.
Yeah.
She went night-night.
This room is not one of my favorites because
this is you're not just in a slaughterhouse, you're the family's farm. This here is the start of the maintenance of the farm. So the welding and all that stuff. So with that, you have some good and we got it throwing right now. All right, come on, Nora.
Oh no.
So this is our Kihl Saw.
Kihl Saw.
By Gore Galore.
Yeah, if you want to see a tour of Gore Galore, we have one of those on our channel too. Tyler will put it in the description.
And Kevin, can we get a water sprayer on this, brother?
Oh, that would be cool.
That's what I want.
That would be cool.
I want a water sprayer.
Need a blood sprayer.
And then usually when you're in here, there's somebody pretty tall over here. I don't know if they'll be in here, but that's...
I hope so. When y'all turned that corner, she looked up and said, "Oh!"
Her.
It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. Saw the video. Sometimes you have to dry your meat out.
Sometimes. You gotta air it out.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta hang it up.
Oh, that one looks pretty fresh.
I'll let you
Man.
sometimes you gotta.
So we hang up the meat to let it dry.
And then we do
Then
what?
you gotta grind it up a little bit.
That's close. Uh-oh. I don't know if I like this room either.
Yeah, it has a little pause to let you get by.
Oh no.
So you don't get your hair or anything like that tangled up.
Pretty sure I see something wild in here too.
So this was a nest room, and I asked you guys last time y'all came, I said, so how do y'all feel about the nest room? Y'all was like, what room? I said, exactly. So we figured we'd step it up a little bit. Found this Gore Galore.
Yeah. Uh-oh, they're talking to us through the wall. Oh no.
So what's this that you got here?
Oh lordy. Come on in.
I'll let her give you the tour of her room.
Okay. Hi.
Welcome. Do you like my pictures?
Yeah.
Do you like them? Do you have a favorite?
Well, this one's pretty nice.
You like that one? You like
Yeah.
that one? You want to show Heather? You want to show her?
Who's Heather?
Oh, Heather, I gave her a makeover. You want to see? Come on.
Heather?
Heather.
Oh.
Heather. Visitors.
Oh, Heather.
Look. See, they like your treat.
Oh,
Heather!
I don't think
I'm so
she's.
sorry, she gets really nervous. Heather, you're embarrassing me, come on! Come on, Heather! I'm so sorry.
I think she's missing a leg or two.
No, come on, Heather! Come on! Come on, Heather!
Oh, yeah.
You're so embarrassing! She's just been asleep for 12 hours. It's okay, okay?
Oh, yeah.
We all get
That's-
a little tired.
That's normal.
12? Are you sure?
It's just-
Blood
it's
loss.
Okay. She's
blood,
just nervous.
blood loss will do that to you.
She's just nervous, okay? People.
That's okay.
I think I
That's
saw
all
her
right.
blink.
Oh,
See?
Yeah. She's
Heather,
fine.
come on.
She's fine.
So this now, what meat shop doesn't have a fish market?
And what?
A fish market.
A fish market.
Okay.
Okay, you're right. You're right.
It used to be Lattice. Remember
Yes.
Lattice? It was kind of a weird little room.
Yep.
So now we've added our
Got some fish.
famous little pallet
Oh.
pop-outs.
Nice. Oh yeah. We get some fresh fish, maybe.
Yeah, who doesn't like fish in the face?
It depends on. Never mind. Whoa! I didn't even see her there.
So if you've made it this far, now
Gas.
you've made it to the grand finale. And what's a haunted house without chainsaws?
You gotta have a chainsaw.
1 second.
I like how they added a lot of partitions in here and like broke up the site. Oh! You weren't there a minute ago. Question is, whose face is he wearing? Whose face you wearing? Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Good stuff.
That's exactly what I needed today.
All right, so this is where it gets rowdy. And if
Yeah.
all right, she's already got blood on her.
It's already begun.
It's already started. So, if y'all don't know much back history on myself, I was a chainsaw maniac at Haunted Hotel for many years, and we held that prestigious Craziest Chainsaw Maniac Award for a good little while.
Hot minute. Tammy's gonna be she loves chainsaws.
Which one don't like chainsaw? Oh, me and you's about to be best friends.
We are
I'll take you
definitely
on a
deep.
tour of our new chainsaw maze.
I don't trust it.
We like to change your equilibrium. We like to,
Getting all
yeah,
off.
we like to throw you off a little bit. So.
How do you don't like chainsaw?
This is like the junkyard of this tour.
Mannequins. Oh man. How heavy is that mother?
This one's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
So most people don't see too much of this junkyard, so
'Cause they're running.
Good thing we have Tyler here to roll some footage.
It's getting foggy.
I love this place.
Run out the exit.
Yeah, once you run out the exit, we have a good little time where you can take photos with your family. We have a Black Orchard photo op there. We have the pumpkins here.
Yeah.
And if you're feeling a little spicy, you can get a reading.
Oh, nice.
Tonight we're offering the readings for free for the
cool.
Honor since it's
sorry,
industry
sorry.
night. So typically she'll be in our silo. I'm gonna take you over here real quick. I'm gonna show you the heart and soul of this haunt.
Oh, okay.
So through this door is the team that made it possible for me to do this behind the scenes tour. So we have Autumn, our makeup artist, and kills the TikToks and pretty much anything that we put in her face. We got Mike back there. Y'all know Pork Chop. Had a Rey Mysterio him, you know, unmasked. We got Matt, we got Kat, and we have Sarah, and they pretty much are the heartbeat of this haunt. And without them, there's no orchard.
Then there's fucking Luke.
And then we have Luke, who puts up with all the phone calls.
Well, Chris,
So-
thanks for showing us around. That was a very awesome look here behind the scenes.
The bad thing is that was only half of it.
There's only right there's still a whole
Yeah, I
outside
didn't show you the
section.
whole outside section because the outside section was really tricky this year. And plus, I want y'all to look forward to the walkthrough that Tyler and Nora and the gang's about to go through. So
That's exactly right. So if you want to see the full show, check out the walkthrough here. I've got it linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.